We're making asun pepper jollof rice.
Let's cook.
I'm ready.
Let's prepare our fresh ingredients.
Vegetables are ready. Rice is clean.
Now we cook the pepper sauce.
Seasoning added.
Yummy.
I'm hungry.
I can't wait.
Time to add the rice.
Here's the asun.
Mix it well. This looks nice.
It tastes nice.
I'm hungry.
Our meal is ready.
So tasty.
Best meal ever.
My favorite.
Welcome to my channel. My name is Mimi, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I made those AI realistic character cook for free, talk for free, okay, and act for free, okay. Like I always say in every video, subscription is totally free. You should subscribe if you've not subscribed to my channel, so you can be getting every latest update I share on this my channel. Without wasting your time, like I always tell you, my subscribers already know this. If you want a good video and you want a beautiful outcome, a good prompt is the key. You necessarily don't need to use grammar, be professional about your prompt, but you need to be specific and detailed about your prompts. When I mean prompt, I mean what you want the app to help you generate, the story you want the app to help you complete, or the story idea you want the app to do for you, and how you want your story to go about. If you're not specific about it, they will end up giving you another thing, and your characters will not be consistent, and the story will end up being a mess. So, speaking about prompt, this is the prompt I used, okay? I'm going to be reading it for you guys. You can see it on my screen. I want to create an educational tutorial featuring a cat and a dog helping me in the kitchen. You can see it's because it is for educational purpose. That is why I actually had to indicate it there, okay? So you can see, let's go ahead. Please provide a cooking prompt, because at that time I didn't know where to start from. Whether to start writing, I want the cat to pour rice here, or I want the dog to decut onions. I didn't actually have anything in mind, but I actually wanted to create a kitchen scene, but I actually didn't know what to create, okay? So I ran out of ideas. So let's go on. Please provide a cooking prompt, image prompt, video prompt, and dialogue. Keep the prompts and dialogue simple, clear, and easy to understand for beginners. I want the kitchen to have a modern luxury design. The cat and the dog should cook asun pepper jollof rice like professional chefs, while a tiny mouse in the kitchen eagerly waits to taste the food. Dress me in a beautiful, elegant outfit that complements the kitchen setting. Present the story in 5 cents. So I went ahead to put this image in the app I wanted to use to generate the image, and this was the outcome. And initially, the first time it gave me this, it was nice, but I don't like green, okay? So I went ahead to change it to this. I end up loving this, so that is why I actually use this. But before I changed the dress and everything, it already gave me my cooking prompts. You can see it on my screen. My cooking prompts, my video prompts, my dialogue, my image prompts, my everything is there. You can see it on my screen, okay? So I just went ahead to only change the way, but I still used the prompts they gave me to generate my images, to make my videos, okay? And also the dialogue, I still use the same dialogue and everything. So if you want to create a good, beautiful image like the one you're seeing on my screen, okay, you can use Leonardo AI, you can use Ideogram AI, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Microsoft Designer, okay, you can use Reverb AI, you can use Google Gemini, okay, so everything is on my screen. So I'm going to be detailed on how I made this video, so stay with me at the end of this video. If you've not subscribed, please do. If you don't know how to subscribe, beneath this my video you will see a bell there. It's totally free. Just click on the bell and that is it, so that whenever I post any video on this my channel, you'll be the first to get it, okay? So I'm going to be sharing my screen with you guys, so come along. So we'll be using Google Flow, okay? Just type your Google app FX, okay? Then just click on Google Flow below. Then your interface will look like this. If you've not logged in, please do, register with them by logging in with your Gmail. You can use Chrome. I'm actually using Chrome right now. Okay. If you're in the right place, this is how your interface should look like. Okay. Click on Nano Banana. You can see image and you can see video by the other side. You can generate your images here, but we'll be using the video generations. Okay, you can see you can choose how many times you want to generate your videos, and you can see the seconds too are there. You can see different options too there. You can see this one is using 7 credits. This one is actually the cheapest, Omni Flash. Others have their own credit. This one has 20. You can see this one Phil 3.1 quality has 100. So we'll be going with the cheapest one since we are not doing much and we want to create so many videos as possible. Click on the plus sign below. Okay, you can see that arrow facing up. You go to your photo gallery, it will take you to your gallery, or if you have your photos on your file, you click on file. Okay, it will take you there. You can see my image is generating. I've already generated my images already. Okay, if you don't know how to generate images, go back to my videos. Okay, I've made videos about it. I also share the app you can use to generate a fantastic image. So let's go and copy our video prompt and dialogue for our scene 1. So my darlings, let's go ahead to paste it. Just trying to make sure that my video is selected. Okay, at times I forget sometimes and to start generating another image for me. Okay, so it's all set and our video is generating. Let's wait for the result. While we wait, you can get ideas from my prompt that I shared. Okay, even my image prompts, I shared the prompts I use.
Making asun pepper jollof rice.
Let's cook.
I'm ready.
Click on the arrow that's backward to save it. Then you just long press the video. Okay, you can see a download arrow there. That is how you download your video. You click on the plus sign. Okay, that arrow facing up is what you'll be clicking. You choose anyone to take you to where your images are being saved. Okay, our image is still loading. Don't forget, my darling, if you want a good video and a good story, be detailed. You need a fantastic prompt for that. Okay, so let's go ahead with the procedure, normal routine. Okay, let's move to another scene. Okay, we copy and we'll go back there. Okay, then paste it.
Let's prepare our fresh ingredients.
Vegetables are ready. Rice is clean.
So we move ahead to download the video. You select your image from your gallery. Okay, if you generate your image, either gallery or your file, wherever your image is. If your images load here, you have to still click it again here. Once it loads here, you still need to click it again so it will appear on the interface that you're going to paste your prompts. Okay, so you can see my image here. Then I'll go ahead to paste my prompt, my video prompt, and my dialogue. If you've not subscribed to my channel, please do. Okay, so you get every update I share on this channel. Okay, so while we wait for our video to generate, try this also with your phone. No experience, no big deal. You just need your data. Okay, So sometimes it might glitch. What you just do is to reduce your dialogue or your video prompt if it's too long. Because we are using the cheapest one, okay, so that is why I actually made sure that my video prompt and dialogue is very short. If we're using Veo 3.1 fast or the quality version, that one understands prompts well. You can use long prompts, no matter how you even paste it, they'll understand, okay. But if you're using a small version or maybe small credit that is free on a free app, try as much as possible to make your video prompts and your dialogue to be short and understandable and accurate. So our video is here, okay. I think there's a little bit of network issue. Okay, let's play it.
Is ready.
So tasty.
Best meal ever. Our meal is ready.
So tasty.
Best meal ever. Our meal is
Same routine, okay, you go back, you long press the video to download it. You click on the plus sign, okay. Okay, let me take you to my gallery, okay. So, I already have saved images already. Just go ahead to, let's choose the one that they are pouring the rice and the meat, okay. Let's pick it. Let's wait for it to load. So we are waiting for it to appear here. So we click it again and it will take us to the interface where we're going to paste our prompt. You can see our image is there already. So we'll go ahead to go and copy our video prompt and our dialogue. You can see how detailed the prompt is. The woman has washed rice into the pot, okay. You can actually pause it and read it.
time to add the rice.
Here's the asun.
Mix it well. Almost.
Welcome guys, you can see it was not difficult, it was easy. Like I always say at the end of every video, my comment section is open for interaction. If you have question or contribution, you can put it down on the comment section. I'll be interacting with everyone on my comment section, okay? See you another day and have a blessed day and blessed week ahead of you, okay? Bye.